Hello, dear Aquarians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. So, before we begin our reading, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. And I have your cards ready here with me. Let's begin our reading for the month of December 2020. And the first card that we have is the Emperor card, which is actually a very demanding, very ruling, what should I say, a disciplined card. So we have a five of swords also. And I have this high priest also here with me. So quite a powerful cards for you this month when it comes to your career life, dear Aquarius. And these cards are indicating me that you see, first and foremost thing that they are guiding me that only the discipline, only the hard work can fetch you uh, results, can fetch you good results in your career. So that we all know, and this is quite true also. And this is here to tell us that this is the time that you should take that hold. You should be able to take no be an entrepreneur, be a boss of yourself. So this cards are here directing us, saying that this is the time that you should take the responsibility of your work, dear Aquarius. And this card is also says that yes, now is the time that delegate your work also. So you might also feel that an authority coming your way this month. You are playing a role where you are where you can delegate the authority to other person, where you can delegate your task to other persons. So you hold that authority now, dear Aquarius. So but with this five of with this five of swords card is saying me that along with this power, I am also seeing that kind of bossism coming in your attitude, some kind of you see a demanding person in your a shallow that would be a right word to say, a shallow uh, person, I mean a shallow belief or shallow behavior. There are possibilities of you may behave that way because of the kind of authority you are going to hold now. So see, when all of a sudden, or when we gain that authority, sometimes we may try to misuse that. So this is a possibility here. So here we have a high priest questioning us about this thing, about our actions, that this is not the right way of using the authority. So the high priest, this energy is coming your way this month, saying that this is not the right way to these and guide you. So very importantly, this energy is asking you to listen yourself, because you are not this person. See, again, if I am going to behave an authoritative way, so I am not actually the person who should be demanding. It's like, being a leader is not simply demand things. It is the, you have to get with the team, you have to be a part of it. Only then you can call yourself as a good leader, isn't it? So this is what you are actually, a good leader. So here the high priest is here to remind you, you are have the abilities, you have the skills. So you have to listen to your intuition, not just simply just get carried away with the position that you are carrying now, the position that you are holding now, the powers that you have now. So don't you misuse these powers, dear Aquarius, because I'm also seeing that by doing that way, by misusing these powers, you see, I'm seeing that this will impact your relationships also this month. Otherwise, you are going to cherish the relationships here this month. Otherwise, you see, the relationships are going to develop because we have the Ten of Water card here, we have Knight of Air card also here. So this says that yes, a contented family life you can experience this month, dear Aquarius. Your emotional and material needs are met. Trustworthy relationships are what you can see, but only with this kind of act, there is a possibility of few relationships are going to are going to suffer. So don't give this opportunity, Aquarius. You can hold this. We have Knight of Air also. idealistic and tireless. So you are getting this energy from the Knight of Air actually, where we need to pause and we need to review our decisions, we need to review our actions again, and make creative solutions. Here the Knight of Energy is also there. So what I'm saying is, definitely you are going to cherish the relationships, you will be doing good with your romantic life also, with the present people. Okay, I'm not seeing someone, a new person, if for the single Aquarians as such. But yes, whatever the relationships are available, definitely you are going to cherish that, provided you shouldn't be misusing your ego. I mean, even the ego is was what I'm seeing, because we again have Five of Fire here in the relationship card. So the egoistic behavior, there is a possibility of these kind of, there are two warnings here. Two times the same warning has come, where it is saying that yeah, this egoistic behavior is what you need to avoid, Aquarius. So just be a little careful about it all, because it's not in your nature anyhow. So it's quite easy to overcome this, isn't it, Aquarius? And then we have the energy card. Oh, such a beautiful and lovely card here. That's an angel of love coming your way. Okay. So now I must say that yes, love is blossoming, of course, because we have Ten of Water, which is a very strongly, which says that yes, stable relationships here, and a rewarding relationship here. So yes, with Angel of Love card, I could say, you see, you will definitely sense this love is in the air kind of feeling. So yeah, and this will give you the contentment also with Ten of Water card here. So you feel that relief, you feel that bonding, and you feel that stability here in the relationship, dear Aquarius. Oh, again, we have the angelic card, we have the angel guidance, and that again talks about relationship. Well, this is so much in sync, isn't it? So, your primary, I just read this message for you, dear Aquarius. Your primary relationship is with yourself and God, and every other relationship follows from there. To attract, heal, or balance a relationship, then then snuggle more closely with your loving creator. As you feel safe and loved within, so shall your other relationships bloom and prosper. Okay, so the angels are here directing us very strongly that we have to feel safe with ourselves. So maybe this shallow attitude, maybe this insecure, maybe this shallow or egoistic attitude is actually arising because of the insecurity. So just think about it, dear Aquarius, that this can be a possibility, right? Because the angels are directly pointing us to that play, to this behavior which we already been warned by the cards. So this way, by working on your insecurities, you will definitely be able to prosper your relationships, of course. So I can also see, probably socially also, your network might improve. This month you will get an opportunity to host, or to be a part of some events, to be a part of some gatherings. But be careful, because we still live in Corona world. Okay, so yeah, we shouldn't forget that. Okay, so yeah, but make good use of these relationships. What I'm seeing is, these are going to serve you, these relationships are going to serve you this month, so take good advantage of that. Okay, and yeah, so that's it for this month, dear Aquarius. I see you again the next month. I till then, I really wish you good luck. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.